Vanakkam friends. Welcome to my channel Navramart. In Niku Nama, Romba simple invisible chain, making tutorial Paka Poram. Inda chain Romba lightweight urukam. Kids come ladies come super suit agam. Inda chain, Panna Namaku the Vayana materials. Invisible thread, small bead / stones, hook jump ring. Verse step. Invisible thread, correct lengths la cut panakanam. 2 long urunta work panakashtem. Next step. Beads 1 by 1 thread la insert panakanam. Ninga design, ku, according color beads mix pannalaam. Next, beads padu mutichidu 2 sides la not strong padanam. A puram hook and jump, ring attach panna chain ready. Ithu romba, easy home la rentu panna mudium. Small business, start panna idu super idea. Ungalaku, Intha tutorial useful urunta. Like pannunga, share pannunga, channel subscribe pannunga. Innum jewelry making tutorials venumna, comment la salanga. Thank you friends. Subscribe, share your comments.